Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Latina Plants. My name is Jackie. Today we're going to do a shop with me at Lowe's to check out what they have in stock. If you like videos like this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Looks like they have all of the Halloween out already. We're not going to take a look at that in this video, but I will share it with you guys in the next up and coming shop with me's. In this table, they had some anthuriums as well as some lucky bamboos from Costa Farms for $14.98 or $4.98, sorry. They also had some orchids here, some bonsais. And then here they had some braided money trees and some cacti and succulents available. We've seen these in the previous shop with me, so I didn't look at them too much. And then I spotted these two pink princess at the bottom here from Costa Farms in their Wick and Grow pots, and I thought they were super beautiful and pink. And some of these leaves had some really nice variegation with the almost half moon leaves. And I thought I would show them to you guys. And then up here they have some of these Haworthias or Gasterias for $9.98 in these really cute pots. And then these are going for $14.98. They had some anthuriums here. And then they had this lipstick plant Mona Lisa, and these hanging pots are going for $20.98. And then they also had the Scindapsus exotica from Urban Jungles, really beautiful and lush pots. It has been sitting here for a while, definitely needs to be purchased soon. She was a little light and dry. And then here are their Wick and Grow pots from Costa Farms. They have lots of thirsty plants in here, some crotons, some peace lilies, dracenias in here. And then up top they had lots of beautiful hanging baskets. Over here, they had some more cacti and succulents and bonsais and braided money trees. And here we're looking at some more of their hanging baskets. They had quite a few of the teddy bear vines, the Tradescanthias. And then here we're just looking at some more of the Wick and Grow plants. They did have this red vein maranta here, as well as some Scindapsus argyrius. They had some of these variegated peperomias. These plants seem to be pretty thirsty. I think they need to fill up the reservoir for them. And then up top, they had some more hanging baskets. Was just looking around to see if they had anything new or different. Here they had this alocasia back here, really pretty alocasia. I'm not sure what her name is, but she is gorgeous. They also had these hanging baskets sitting on the shelf here from Urban Jungles for $24.98. Really pretty. And then these two that are from Urban Jungle go for $13.98. And the larger hanging baskets, as I've told you guys, go for $20.98. And the smaller ones go for $16.98. And then around this corner on these shelves, I spotted some new pots and new plants. Some new pots from Live Trends and new hanging baskets here. They were pretty empty, so it looks like they will be restocking soon. Love this setup here with the Urban Jungle pots. These are so cute, these anthuriums here, but I believe they get pretty large. And these are going for $14.98. Really cute pots and cute plants. They also had this really pretty Syngonium here. I'm not sure if this is the Syngonium Maria, but she is gorgeous. Again, these are going for $14.98 in these really cute pots from Urban Jungles. And back here, I spotted another Syngonium. I believe this one is the Berry Illusion. Again, from Urban Jungles for $14.98. And here is, I believe this is the Neon Syngonium, pink Neon Syngonium. Super cute if you're on the lookout for some Syngoniums. And then I found these pots here that were really cute and new for $24.98. They had a Birkin in them, the Philodendron Birkin. This one looks really cute. Not too much weight, but a good amount. And then they had the Ficus Shiveriana from Live Trends. And this pot was a metal pot. It's like a metal tin pot. And these are going for $19.98. Again, from Live Trends. And back to the Urban Juggles, they had this plant here. I forget what she's called. I think she's a Homolomina, if I'm not mistaken. Super gorgeous. They also had this beautiful fern here. I don't know if that's the bird's nest fern or what that one is called. If you do know, please let me know down below in the comments. And these pots are going for $18.98. They also had some bonsais in here. And then over on this end cap, they had some more of the Live Trends. Here they have some of your water propagations from Live Trends in these. They also had these carnivorous plants. I think it would be super cool if they put pings in these for $19.98. Some of them were not doing so well, as you can see, but if they had pings in those, I think they would fly off the shelves. They had these pitcher plants in here, which I thought were pretty cool if you're interested in some pitcher plants for $26.98 in some moss. And they have some ventilated holes in there. Some more of the water propagations and these really cute air plants here with the dogs. Up top, they had some new hanging baskets from Urban Jungle. Really cute hanging basket. This one had the Scindapsus exotica in there. And they had this one here from Live Trends with the Scindapsus argyrius. And these are going for $16.98. Not bad at all. Really cute hanging baskets. They also had this one here from Live Trends with your green heartleaf philodendron, heteroecium. They also had the neon philodendron heteroecium here in this really cute pot from Urban Jungles. And then here they had some monsteras, some ZZ, some ficus, some alocasias, some calatheas in here, some dracaenas mixed in, and some ferns, as well as some of these alocasias here. Over on this display, they had some of the philodendrons, some ficus, and dracaenas. Then they had all of these orchids, as always. They had a beautiful display of plants, and I almost missed this side, but I came back to show you guys what they have here. Lots of African violets, some plants here in baskets from Live Trends for $19.98. I believe that's a Dracinia. And then the African violets are going for $5.48. And again, you can go on their website and get the ID for your African violet. Make sure that you do that in case you want to propagate and resell any of them. And then here, just looking to see what else they have. These hanging baskets are going for $16.98, and they had quite a few Marantas in them. And these are going for $16.98 as well. Beautiful Marantas in here, and these beautiful hanging baskets. Lots and lots of hanging baskets here. Some very, very thirsty plants, but some of them are in really good condition. They just need a little bit of watering, and they had some more of the carnivorous plants at the bottom here. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll check you guys out on my next shop with me. Bye!